Hello student, this is the another class on chemistry, the chapter 3, elements, compounds and mixture. I hope you will understand this is very simple concept, and here I go to make you understand about elements, compounds and mixture. As you see in the board, I have divided elements, compounds and the mixture. The first thing about elements already I spoke. This is the summary of the elements, compounds and mixture, which will help you further to learn and remember this. Now see the elements. Elements is the purest form of a substance, and it has only one type of atom. Here I have given some examples that you can see. Oxygen and hydrogen. This is only one type of atom. And we can take some of the examples of the elements, that is hydrogen, oxygen, gold, silver, chlorine, anything on the periodic table. So whole periodic table is the example of the elements, and they are made of only one type of atom. Then we'll go to the compounds. Compounds are when two or more elements that are bounded together. And how they are bounded? They are bounded chemically. They do not mix with each other, they just combine with each other chemically. You can see the water, one atom of oxygen is bonded with the two atoms of hydrogen. This is the example of compound. Now we can show the molecule of the compound also. That is, two hydrogen atoms are bonded with each other and they form one molecule of compound. Now example, you can take water, table salt, and we use some other compounds also in our day-to-day life. Next we see mixtures. Now mixtures is very simple, is two or more elements or compounds mixed together but not bonded. I told you the difference between mixing and combining is that the elements and the compounds in the mixture, they just are mixed. They are not bonded chemically. So here I can take example like this, that few atoms of oxygen and few atoms of hydrogen, they just mix with each other. And another example of where the two or more compounds they mix, suppose we take hydrogen, water, that is one atom of oxygen, two atoms of hydrogen, and combine with the salt, the table salt, that is sodium chloride. Okay, if we put table salt, normally the composition is sodium chloride, that one atom of sodium is bonded with one atom of chlorine. So they mixed with each other without combining chemically. So here we can take some example like salt water, air, or like some juice that we use in the day-to-day life. So these all are the example of mixtures. So this is very simple. So this video, this chart gives you the idea about, a brief idea about the elements, compounds and the mixture. I hope you like it. So please subscribe my video and my channel, so that I can, when I upload another videos about the chapter 3, you will get the notification. So all the best. God bless you. Bye.